Welcome back. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple and effective steps to create a company or vendor contact in the Elite Technique system. Now, it's safe to say that the key difference between setting up an individual contact and a company contact is that company contacts often have multiple delivery or invoicing addresses, and knowing how to manage these correctly is crucial for seamless communication and operations. But don't you worry, we're going to make this process as clear and user-friendly as possible. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just looking to sharpen your skills, this walkthrough is designed to be easy to follow, quick to apply, and highly efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently add a new company or vendor contact, manage their multiple addresses, and ensure everything is set up for smooth transactions. Let's get started. The purpose behind creating a company/vendor contact instead of an individual contact is for when you're dealing with a company or vendor that has multiple delivery or invoicing addresses. Also, it may be a subcontracting company, which is most likely to have several delivery and invoicing addresses. First, we go into Contacts, which is located on the drop-down menu that we obtain on the left, right under Calendar, and then we hit Create. So, as we said in the beginning of the video, we have the option between company and individual. In this occasion, we will create a company contact. Let's give it a name. Test Company 1. When adding the address, it's important to not write the complete state. Just prompt the first letters until the state becomes available and just click on it. Make sure you enter accurate zip codes. Phone numbers are very important. So the one that we put here where it says phone is the one that will give us a direct clicking link to call directly from the software. We can also enter mobile phone. Emails are very important. Nowadays, everybody has an email, but if for some reason the company or vendor that you're dealing with does not have one, then you can make up a fake one. That should be enough to trick the system and maintain its connectivity. So please remember and make sure that you add an email. Now, we can always use tags. This makes it easier for us to find or to group contacts. And also, if it's a subcontractor company, you can just check off this little box right here. Now, the idea of creating a company contact or a vendor contact is that they most likely will have several delivery addresses. So here where it says contacts and addresses, we click on add. Here in contact, we can edit the contact name, title, job position, and you can add additional emails, phone numbers, mobile numbers. Okay, the key here is delivery address. So again, we add the contact name. This is Test Company 1. And then we just add the address. Again, you just prompt the first letters until the state appears, and then you click on it. And you can also enter any extra notes if you need something to remember. Also, you can add emails, phone number, mobile number. You can even add an image. By clicking on this little pencil, you can upload an image. And then when you're happy and all this is done, we just hit save and close. And as you can see, the delivery address that falls underneath this company contact has been created. All that is left to do now is to hit save. Now, when we go to the contacts bin, we will see that we have a new company set up. And we also have that delivery address that falls underneath them. We can now work off this company's delivery address while still being able to track all the information for it underneath the main company. Thank you very much.